How to fix this Apple ID is not active error on iPhone. So if you want to fix this Apple ID is not active error on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your App Store. Once you're in your App Store, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right of your screen, and then head over to your account option. Or just simply tap on your name, wait for a while for it to load, and it may ask you for your Face ID or your Apple password. You need to just enter your password. Or if you don't remember, you can go with forgot password and then reset your password. Now, once you have this kind of interface, you need to just simply go with your Apple account, which will be on the top, and then just simply go and change your password. After changing your password, your problem might be fixed. It might fix the issue that you've been facing. Now, the next thing you want to do is restart your device. In order to do so, you need to long press on the assistive touch, and then you will have a restart option. You need to tap on restart. It will restart the device. Most of the time, restarting the device has fixed the issue. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of your device. Once you're on your settings, you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to go with your account, your name, and then go with sign in. After that, you need to go with sign in and security. After that, enter your password if prompted. Now scroll down under the security section. You will find change password option. You need to go and change your password from here. Enter the new password and then once again retype your new password. After that, tap on continue and then your password will be successfully changed and then you'll be able to good to go. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.